Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, y'all. And we got a special unit today that I'm going to be reviewing because your girl on the box is me, okay? We're gonna be right back. of mine, then you know that I have been modeling for Main Concept. And you guys, I'm so excited because I've been holding this in, and they finally started posting the advertisement, the wigs, me, you know, so your girl is excited. It's nothing but just positive vibes and love, okay? So I did a photo shoot with them. I had done a ton of wigs, so I'm so excited to see what comes out the rest of the year. But your girl is on the cover of one of their magazines. Look at that, look at that. That's me, that's me. And I'm also featured inside of the magazine. Here it is. And then here's some more of me. I'm so excited about this. Then I even had modeled some braids. It was an all-day shoot. It was so much fun. So yes, 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 yes. Here's some more. And there was an adorable little girl on set with me towards the end of the day. She's such a cutie. She was such a sweetheart. Her mom was there as well, and this is her. Such a cutie pie. But you guys, I'm so excited. Like, I'm over here getting tongue twisted because I just, like, my words are faster than my thoughts. But yes, so Main Concept was kind enough to send me this wig today for today's collaboration. Here is the stock card. It is the RCHD403 Main Beauty 03 in the color FR1B/red. I will say, Main Concept, y'all should have gave me you know, a little booklet stock card, you know. I'm just saying. But yes, it does come in a bunch of other colors. Clearly the color that I am wearing on the packaging, and it's a transparent HD lace. Really, it's a transparent HD lace. It blends well with any skin type. It's 100% hand-tied base, allowing for supremely natural movement. Also, whole lace wig, well known as 100% hand knotted for free parting and styling. The cap is very light, breathable, and ideal for any sensitive scalps or hair damage. Creates for styling versatility, means you can comb and style your hair as desired. So you guys, this unit is so cute. I'm loving the color combo. The cap size is nice and fit. I did go in and try 3 different hairstyles with this unit. It did say it was a whole lace around, so I styled it in the middle, I styled it on the side, and I did like an updo. And I showed you guys, you know, the front and back of the unit. I will say this unit was more on the easy side. It was an easy slay. The only thing that I did was I went in under with my Fenty foundation. I'm in the color 420. Along the lace, I cut the lace on top of my head. I just went in with my espresso matchstick along the edges with a little bit of brush, and that was pretty much it, you guys. It blended, and you know, of course, styling it up and stuff, I did go in and spray, you know, the edges down just so they wouldn't lift and flap in the wind. But I will say, if you want to wear the unit like this, it's definitely an easy slay. If you are familiar with my channel, you know I love me some plop and go, so that's exactly what it was. The hair is soft. I am liking the hair. It's soft. It is big hip friendly. It does have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps back there as well. As far as tangling and shedding, there's a little bit of shedding on my end because I did a lot of movement around with this wig, you know, and styling it. But I do like the face frame. I'm loving the curls. You know, the cap is breathable, and the lace is very, very great. It's soft. It does blend in very well, and I didn't have any issues with blending. Some of the cons of this unit is that I do feel like this unit is a little on the silky side. You know, the goal is to have units that are, you know, that give the more natural like effect, and I just feel like the texture of this hair is very, very silky. You know, us YouTubers and wig wearers, we just prefer more of like a natural look. So even if it wasn't like a kinky type of hair, I think premium fibers would have been better, only because it doesn't give off the silk Barbie doll type effect. I also feel like this red is very, very bold, although it is pretty, but I think if it would have transitioned from, you know, like a 1B or 2 to the red, or even like a burgundy color, just to give it a more natural effect. Because if we're being honest, people don't really dye their hair this cherry red. They usually do like a burgundy, you know, or like burgundy going into the red. Like there's always some type of transition. So I think those are the only cons that I have. But other than that, you guys, this unit is pretty. I will say it does have a nice amount of density and thickness to it. It's a very, very pretty wig. I'm loving the curl pattern, the face framing, all of that. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I didn't go over the price, so let me tell you guys that right now. So this unit does range on a few different websites between $40 to $65, so just keep that in mind. I will have the Google link in the description box below so you guys can pick where you want to buy it from. But yes, let me know what y'all think. Y'all, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Like, I was so hyped about this. I done made reels, I done made videos, y'all. Like, I was so hyped. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time.